JSpec package, another unboxing video. As you already know, with the COVID, I already threw away the box, but this is what I got. Nest Protect. All right, pause it, do what you're gonna do right there. It is smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, long life battery. That's what it said right there. On this side right here, if you cannot pause that, let me read it for you. Detects fast and slow burning fires and CO. Speak in friendly human voice. Silence false alarm from your phone. Test it is batteries, excuse me, and sensor automatically. All right. And on the back of the box, is right there. Think, speak, and alert your phone. Without further ado, let's go. Let's unbox this thing. With my world famous tool right here. Cut that out. Pull this out. Voila. The string packaging. And this right here, you just stick this out right there. Voila. And this should slide out. Why did I get this? You never know, right? Like, it's better to have a safer home than it's too late. Then you want to get one. So this is what I got. It comes with two packaging, right? It comes with two of this in a pack for $199.99. Got it from Costco.com. I don't know how much retail online anywhere else, but you know me, I'm like a Costco. Spend a lot of money at Costco, bro. But anyways, yeah. Right there, when you slide this open, voila. And this right here, right on top, is the booklet. Inside this, let's see, what do they have. Let's open it up. Welcome home. Let's get started. Safety and warning. Warning, CO2 alarm indicate if signal sound. And phone number and everything. This is a sticker. And this is the actual unit right here. Let's go open it up. Right below there, there is a mounting screw right there. 1, 2, 3, bam, bam. And this right here, instruction, the mounting plate, bam, bam. And this is the actual unit right here. Bam to the bam, bam. Right? It's battery operated. You can, there's a USB plug right there, charge it. And there's this sticker right here. Let me pull that out. Boom! Shakalaka. Oh, snap. You hear that?
Hi from Nest. Hola, saludos de Nest.
Hi from
Press
Nest.
the button now for English.
Hola for Nest. What button, bro? What's the button?
Para
right
español, listo.
Oh,
Presiona el botón para realizar la prueba.
Oh, this is, you see that? The button? You press
Listo.
This,
Es solo una prueba. Cancelado.
yo, English, please.
Listo. Presiona el botón para realizar la prueba. Es solo una prueba. Cancelado. Es cancelado.
I don't know what I just did. I make this in Spanish, bro. But anyways, yeah, right there. And supposedly this is gonna go in like this. And this is light up. So planning one to put one downstairs and one upstairs by the stairs and one downstairs by the stairs. So the kitchen is by the stairs. And then if there's CO2 goes up by the stairs over there, so they're gonna alarm both of them, right? So that's pretty much it for this unboxing video. This is pretty cool though.
Listo.
Listo.
Presiona el botón para realizar la prueba.
Say what?
Es solo una prueba. La alarma sonará. La alarma sonará fuerte. La prueba iniciará en 10 segundos. Presione el botón para cancelar.
English.
10.
English.
9.
English.
8. 7.
English.
6. 5.
Oh.
4. 3.
Oh.
2.
Oh.
1.
That's counting down.
Es solo una prueba.
Uh-oh.
Realizando prueba de humo.
Oh. That's the alarm. That's loud, isn't it?
Prueba de monóxido de carbono.
Damn. That's the alarm. That thing's loud. Yo, that's crazy. You see how loud that is? That's gonna wake you up, bruh.
La prueba ha finalizado. Todo parece estar bien.
Yeah, there you go. Whatever is it. I'm sorry I don't speak Spanish. Those of you that watch my video that speak Spanish, a translation will be dope. But anyways, it was in English, but I made it to in Spanish. So I have to figure it out with this. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy. Click the thumbs like, subscribe right down below if you haven't subscribed. Click the bell. And if you change your mind later on, you think my channel is not good enough for you, you can always unsubscribe, right? But to subscribe, I guarantee you, is free. I promise you. Today only is free. Peace.